Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Wednesday. We are back with another trade recap YouTube video. Today we took two trades. We had one win, one loss, pretty much like a break-even trade. Well, not really, because the first trade was kind of like a full mode. I knew the direction I wanted to go, but I just wasn't confident. And I'm actually pretty glad I exited out of the first trade because right before I exited the first trade, a Twitter news came out where apparently big market was supposed to be buying a a crypto coin ETF. Hold on one sec, I have a screenshot here. Yeah, so this came out at 10:39, where it says CNBC says Morgan Stanley is the first major U.S. bank to file for a Bitcoin ETF. As that Twitter news comes out, you can see this huge sell-off candle right here. Oh, look at this right here. 10:38. Just pretty much liquidates everyone who was trying to long the market here, who knew where price wanted to go. Stopped everyone out, sweeps. We then get a. This is when I rejoined the the trade. We got a break of structure. Obviously, I was pretty much waiting for the retracement, which we got into this fair value gap right here. Oh, my bad. Came into the fair value gap here. We took the long right here off this breaker structure, put the our stop loss right there, and put take profits right over here. And that's pretty much what I aimed for today for a 1 to 2 risk reward. And it hit. But overall today, being bullish wasn't my bias coming into today. Coming into today, my bias was, well, it was bullish initially because overnight price retraced to a, it's like price traded back into a fair value gap or into an equilibrium or a discount in order to push price right back up right here. So for example, on Nasdaq, we traded past the uh the fair value gap, but we traded right into this breaker block on ES, right into that fair value gap. So London did a manipulation. New York was looking to continue the trend or the bullish formation, which is what I was originally thinking as well. If price didn't take out this 4-hour high after touching in that fair value gap on ES, which it didn't, coming in before market open, it did not take out that 4-hour high yet, and ES was pretty far from that high as well. So I was thinking to myself, or telling myself, I should say, if price automatically takes, or if ES automatically takes out this high, while Nasdaq fails and creates a bearish S&T, I'm going shorts no matter what. Because sweep will wait for a change in state of delivery in the lower time frames, a retrace, and then a 1 minute break of structure or inverse for value gap. But that clearly didn't happen. On Nasdaq, we traded up, took out Asian session highs and hourly high, consolidated, and then we pushed straight back up. I first was still what's it called? I was still marrying my bias of taking shorts. Reason being is because I saw this as a break of structure right here. This move up and a move down. I saw this. I think it was this one right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this right here. Yeah, saw this break of structure, and then I tried using a equilibrium as retracement, but obviously that just wasn't gonna work. Why? Because price pretty much traded all the way back into equilibrium. So this wasn't really favorable to me, I should say. That just wasn't really speaking like a optimal trading for me. So shorts were just ruled out. I was waiting for a prime entry on longs. FOMO the first one, got out, and then that's how I got into the second one. And that's pretty much how today went. Made $468. We are slowly coming back from having a rough week. We were down $742 on the TradeAway account, but now we're down only 273 on the week. Tomorrow is another trading day, and judging by what price is currently doing right now, let me just get rid of all of this real quick. Knowing the holy crap, knowing the fact that ES just swiped out liquidity, Nasdaq just came into a fair value gap, into a unfilled fair value gap right here, which I had marked out earlier. Trades into that unfilled fair value gap, touches it, reacts from in the 4 hour. We drop down, we have a second fair value gap up here, or a third fair value gap up here on Nasdaq, but not on ES. We only have a fair value gap down there, but we shall see. We shall see. If we use the fib, I'm I'm still looking to take shorts tomorrow based off that. So yeah, right now we just had an impulse down. We're now consolidating or having a slow retracement. But if we have a trade tomorrow, another trade recap, as you guys know it. If not, mm, when there's a video, then there's a trade. That's all I can say pretty much. Nothing more I can say. But I hope you guys have a great evening. Stay safe and take it easy, guys.